What more could you want as a fantastic spread? There you go. That's our basil pesto spread made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today another spread, a basil pesto spread. So fantastic as a dip. Oh, so tasty, you know, even crackers, dip with some celery or anything like that. So easy to make. Let's show you how. Come on, in here, cream cheese. Now it should be softened as per usual, but you know, it's straight out of the fridge. So nice and gentle. That will do. Bring that lovely cream cheese in there. And it's a basil pesto. Now you can use homemade, or you can just use straight out of a jar. Want about 3 of those in there. So we're just going to give that a little mix in. Bring that in with the cream cheese. Job done. Let's have that in there. Stir in all your cream cheese. Like that. Okay. A couple of tablespoons of Parmesan. I'm going to go in there with a shake of black pepper. Now we're not adding salt, but it's salt to taste, so if you want to add salt, obviously taste it and see what you think. Parmesan normally salty. All we got to do now is put it in a bowl and serve it up. Look at that. How easy is that? In we go. In there. Fabulous. Now what you do with this one, you bring it round like that. Leave some lines in it like this with your spoon. Okay. Like that. You take a little bit of olive oil on there. Little drizzle in all those little craters. And that is ready for service. Like that. Like that. Take a little bit of basil on there. And there we are, our basil pesto spread. How easy is that? Come on. There we go, look at that. That is our basil pesto spread. So easy, it's full of flavour, it's bursting. I mean, this thing is really bursting in there. Oh, come on. This is absolutely fantastic with veggies. Carrots, celery, anything like that. Really, really delicious. That Parmesan through there is enough salt without adding any salt. A little bit of pepper. That's okay. The shop bought pesto is salty enough. We've got our Parmesan in there. We've got the olive oil over the top. It's creamy, it's delicious. What more could you want as a fantastic spread? There you go. That's our basil pesto spread made. Absolutely fantastic. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a superb basil pesto dip. And if you like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to that channel, ring the bell. Catch you in the next video.